Why the threat? Yes, why the threat? Nigerians can now say why President Muhammadu Buhari is unable to travel out of Nigeria on the 25th of June 2021. Yes. As scheduled and announced by Femi Adesina that the President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, will be out of the country to UK for his medical checkup on Wednesday. But all of a sudden, we just said, boom, the president is not traveling no more. This has never happened before, okay? Kilo Ichele Gongon. But I was like, we all know the present government of Nigeria, they are a bunch of liars, criminals, that when they tell you this is white, just be careful. It might be gray, blue, or even red. So we're like, we're going to wait for the result why the president is not traveling anymore. Then, when you go on Punch newspaper on Sunday, 27th of June, 2021, you will see where it is written that the president said why the threat, that the threat from the Niger Delta Affairs is not necessary because their demand has already been addressed. I can now see. The Niger Delta Affairs spoke to the government, to President Muhammadu Buhari, in the language he understands. Yes, you can say that again. But trust me, if you believe President Muhammadu Buhari is scared of Niger Deltas, you are making a great mistake. Muhammadu Buhari is never scared of Niger Deltas Affairs. He just see them as the pot of soup, that they are fragile. You just have to make sure he handle them with care. The threat from Niger Delta Affairs came up before 48 hours after the president have spoke with the Niger Delta's leaders. The Niger Delta Affairs came up with the threat that they're going to bomb Nigeria crude oil and they make sure they bring Nigeria down to its knee. Buhari is just trying to be smart. He's just trying to play smart with the Niger Deltas. When he said the gold in Safara belongs to the Safarans and crude oil in Niger Delta belongs to the Niger Delta, can't you see he's just trying to handle his pot of soup with care? Yes, the Niger Deltas, they are in trouble. Yes. How could you be a gatesman in your father's compound? They are the bakery owner, but the manager, which is President Muhammadu Buhari, the presidency, and others trying to give them a loaf of bread to eat while they are the bakery owner. Yes, Muhammadu Buhari is just using Niger Delta as plan B. Though he's trying to Fulanize Nigeria, whereby the Fulanis will be the first citizens of Nigeria, the Malu will be the second citizens, and others will be the third citizens, which I know very well and sure that that can never come to pass. Because you see, that dot country, the dots, because he called them the dots, that's the Biafrans, they will use everything, every means in their reach to make sure they leave Nigeria. They will get their freedom. And the way the Yorubas, we already left Nigeria, we are no more Nigerians. So he's just trying to handle his pot of soup, which is the Niger Delta's oil, with care. You can see he's just getting everything from them. You just need to build refineries in Niger Republic, building rails and roads to Niger Republic. It's just like, if I'm not able to Fulanize Nigeria, because it seems Nigeria people are white now. Some part of Nigeria are white now. So if I'm not able to Fulanize Nigeria, I have my plan B. I'm going to fix my country. It's from Niger Republic, so it's trying to use Niger Delta's weight to fix its country. So, and it's borrowing money from every part of the world. So when people that borrow money from China, the World Bank, wherever he has borrowed money from, he used Niger Delta and he used Nigeria. Let me say Nigeria as collateral. So as we Yorubas, we are no more Nigeria. The Biafrans, they are no more Nigeria. If maybe, because I know Niger Delta, they are smart also. If maybe they are still in Nigeria, and some Yorubas, they are still in Nigeria. Some Sobutua from Igbo land, they are still in Nigeria. No problem. They're gonna be the one to pay the money, because Buhari will already run down to Niger Republic. It will have already run down to, I don't know, to Niger Republic. Then the rest of the people in Nigeria will pay the loan he's collecting. Buhari is not scared of Niger Delta's Afenjans. He's just trying to play smart on them. He's just trying to hold the pot of soup. Just trying to handle the pot of soup with care. He's just trying to make them the gate man in their father's compound, a bakery owner that will be begging for loaf of bread. So don't say Buhari is scared of Niger Deltas. No, he's never scared of you. We all know who Buhari is. As deaf and dumb as the president Muhammadu Buhari and the presidency, as deaf and dumb they are to the cry of the masses, to the kidnapping of Nigerians by the bandits, the killings of the citizens by the S-men, the ISWAP and others. Now, you think Buhari is scared of Niger Deltas? No, he's never scared of them. He's just trying to play smart on them. That is it. He's just trying to play smart on them. So it's left for them if they want to be under Buhari's foot. If they want to lick his ass, it's up to them. But trust me, the Afenjans, Buhari will prefer to be giving you loaf of bread and will be in charge of your father's bakery. The gold in Safara belongs to the Safarans. The Kuda in Niger Delta belongs to Nigeria. Don't be a gate man in your father's compound. Thank you.